Hello guys! Are you getting that you need to verify your account in order to perform this action error in Discord? So don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Discord server status. Scroll down to check if there are any ongoing issues. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until Discord fixes it. Open the Discord app and go to your profile. Tap Settings and go to My Account. If you see a message asking you to verify your email, tap Verify and follow the instructions in your email. While in Settings, go to Password and Authentication. Update your password. This can refresh your account and fix verification issues. And that's it. Now your Discord account should be verified and the issue should be fixed. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.